In this episode, we visit Petrified Forest National Park, specifically the Rainbow Forest Museum and Visitor Center and the Giant Log Trail. But this visit is part of a much longer Arizona road trip. If you're interested in seeing some of our other stops, be sure to look for that video linked in the description below. We're at Petrified Forest National Park at the Rainbow Forest Museum Visitor Center, right by the Giant Log Trail. So there's multiple visitor centers in Petrified Forest National Park, but this is the one we're checking out.
Visitor Center!
Let's check it out. Yeah. Oh, you had to price that? Yes.
Oh, I can.
Oh my gosh, Rowan, look up.
Oh.
Smilosuchus? That's a funny name.
That's an alligator.
Rowan, look.
That is an alligator's mouth.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's got a funny name. It's like Smilosuchus. Something.
Wow.
Man, it's the phonetic pronunciation.
Why could the crocodile?
Wow. Feel this. Whoa.
What is that? Petrified wood is incredibly dense. This piece that you're looking at right here took 3 days to cut through it.
Oh, Mimi, look up there.
I know.
Oh my God, I didn't see that.
This is the map right here. Hey, this is what the Earth looked like 600 million years ago. And it's starting to 560 million years ago, 440. Look at how it's moving. 500 million years ago, 470 million years ago. Oh, it's starting to kind of look at, you can kind of see the United States right there. It's now 150 million years ago. And then Africa and South America are gonna separate.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Look how they kind of fit like a puzzle piece. And this is Africa, South America, and there's our
Wonder what it was
United
going to
States.
look in 20 million years from now.
I know.
What it's going to look like.
Here's a fossil.
What is that a fossil of, Raya? A cycad leaf.
That's a, what's that, right?
This is of a crayfish. Look at it, doesn't it? You can see the crayfish fossil.
What are those?
Those are fossilized
Oh,
feces.
fossilized poop, Raya. Feces is another word for poop.
Look at these ones.
Whoa, it's a fossilized thing. Yes, I love these. Oh, what is it?
Here, use a brush. Discover the fossil.
What is it?
What do you see?
Oh, we uncovered. I see something.
Are you uncovering
We
something?
uncovered that whole thing right
Oh
there.
yeah?
Callie, we gotta uncover everything. Dig, 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 dig. Babies and her mommy's right here.
Yeah?
Whoa! Look at these. Whoa! My hand looks like
What does it look like?
Look at.
Show me, I can see. Whoa.
Whoa, that's what it's like inside? Holy crap! You better look at this. That's what it looks like inside.
That's crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's how big we are, and that's how big it was.
No,
But look at his head.
alligators are that big.
It looks like an alligator, doesn't it?
But it is an alligator.
It is?
Yeah, I'm going to try it.
And it,
Hmm.
Fascianodondo.
Look at this. That's 3 dinos.
To reptiles and to like elephants or anything that it kind of looks like.
So what's this? I think I know what that is.
It kind of looks like a pterodactyl, but it's not.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
So what did you want me to look at?
oh, here. This. That looks like the alligator, right? Okay. There's the pronunciation of it. A Coscinodon perfectus. Go ahead.
Coscinodon perfectus.
Yeah.
It's like a magic spell.
Coscinodon.
Wait, you see, Rowan?
I didn't know what this is.
Well, it looks like armor plates from the different dinosaur skins.
No, those are shark dinosaurs.
Yeah?
Because sharks have pointy things like that.
Oh, it looks like a shark because of that. That's kind of like a horn or a spike.
I said this one.
There's a Colopsidae.
And what is that?
There's a Calypsosaurus. Let's go this way. Let's see what else.
They're heavy, so I wouldn't pick them up without testing. But
Oh, they are. Oh my gosh.
these are rocks now. This is what it used to be like.
Wow.
This is what it's
Oh, that's a great to have an example.
Yes.
That's
What an
like
example.
Yeah. Wow.
so the weight difference.
That's what it was, and this is what it is now.
That's right.
What'd you think? You
Ryan,
think it's pretty?
Here.
All right, come here.
You gotta test this out, Raya.
That's amazing.
Come here.
How many years
Here, babe.
from here
Here.
to here?
200 million.
Just about.
Pick that up.
Give or take.
That's the way the wood is now, okay? But if it was
Look
gonna
at that.
gets petrified, remember we read the whole thing how it gets petrified? Try to very gently pick this one up.
Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah, that's what it is
This
now.
is not even heavy.
That's what it turned into.
Right.
This is just the normal
Very
wood.
gently put it back down.
And then when it turns into stone, that's how heavy it is.
That's how heavy it
That
is.
one's pretty heavy.
Very careful.
Wow.
Very careful.
There's
More similar now to what I make our countertops out of.
Yeah. But what's so funny, the granite is easier to cut through than this. That's like wild. I mean, it's like really
It's heavy.
Very
Yes, it's
heavy.
Very heavy.
You can see they're kind of this. You can see some of the way the bark shows here. It looks like a tree, doesn't it? But it sure doesn't feel like one. No, it's definitely a rock. And then these are beautiful.
Yeah.
So what is petrified wood, you're asking? It's basically a fallen tree that got buried by river sediment, sealing it off from oxygen. Then, over millions of years, groundwater seeped down through the layers carrying dissolved silica. That silica soaked into the wood's tiny fibers and pores, slowly filling and replacing them while keeping the grain and growth rings intact. Wood turned to stone from the inside out.
Show your dad what you showed me. Look. Over there.
Gosh.
No, it was right here. It was right here. He showed me that.
No, it
That's nice.
was right here.
Oh, okay. I don't see it there. I saw it over there. I don't know. Show your dad.
I just saw one that was really horny.
Aw. There's another one up here.
Oh, it's right here. I literally just saw that one, but right here. This used to be a tree, a real tree. Now it's solid as a rock.
Basically turned to stone.
Yeah.
Did you guys find the top? Wow, Ryan. What's out there?
My hair is
Desert. More desert.
Yeah.
More desert. And more rock. View and all way over there's the mountain.
Is it a good view?
Yeah.
We're supposed to see 71 yesterday. What is it?
Over here, right here.
Oh, wow. What do you see?
It's colorful.
It's colorful. It is.
And so sparkly.
So cool. It's like a whole like fallen forest of trees that have turned to stone. That's incredible.
Mia.
Cactus?
And it's got spikes on it.
You almost got.
Right over there. And I was walking over here. And I saw that.
Yeah.
I said, "Wah!"
Yeah.
Cats.
Remember, this video is just a short section of our longer Arizona road trip. Check out the full supercut linked in the description below.